In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change country in Google Play Store, okay? As usual in this channel, we don't waste our viewers' time. We just dive right into the content. Okay, very fast, let's locate the Google Play Store. Sorry for that notification. Okay, let's locate the Google Play Store. It's right here. Then click on your profile icon or image, this W symbol in my case there. Then click on payment and subscriptions. Okay. Then click on payment methods. Okay. Just follow every step here so you don't make any mistake along the way. Okay. Then scroll down to the very bottom, click more payment settings. Then you will be directed to another website here for payment. Then when you arrive here, tap on the three bars to the left or the hamburger sign. Okay. Then tap on settings, the settings icon, the gear icon there representing settings. Just be very patient with this, okay, and follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. Okay, here you will see your payment profile and address. You can just tap on country or region and edit it. Then click on create new profile. Then continue. Here now you can select the country of your choice. Now this is how you can change your country on Google Play Store. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.